Hi crochet lover, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine, enjoying your life well. In today's video, I'm going to show very amazing style crochet keychains designs ideas. We are hooking up a cute and functional crochet keychain ideas. Add a personal touch to your keys with a handmade crochet keychains. In this video, we will be making a colorful amigurumi style keychain in this shape of a animals and different object shapes. Learn how to crochet this quick and easy keychain using basic stitches and different patterns. First, let's start with the hand of our animal and different objects and different flower petal. We will be using a magic ring to create a small circle. Now let's add a detail. We will be using a temporary needle to embroider eyes and a mouth. Use a stitch maker to keep track of your place in this pattern. Experiment with different yarn, color and embellishment to create unique keychain. And that's it. Your adorable crochet keychain is complete to ready to use. Thanks for stitching along with me today. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos and different tutorials and different ideas. If you want more information about all the collections, so please tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload it next video about your comment. Keep watching my more different ideas. Stay tuned and keep praying for me. May Allah will live long, stay happy and stay blessed for me. These keychains are easy to knit at home and unique ideas for gifting. If you want more information about all the collection and if you want full DIY tutorial about all the collection, so please tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload it next video about your comment. I will upload it full DIY tutorial for you. Keep watching my more different ideas till and keep praying for me. May Allah will live long, stay happy and stay blessed for me. And if you want any idea, if you want any question, so please tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload it next video about your comment. See you in the next video. Take care of yourself, like my videos, and please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to get my daily routine videos that I have uploaded daily for you. Share your finished keychain with us on social media account using hashtag. Check out our new videos for crochet accessories and home decor ideas and different accessories. Take care of yourself. Okay, take care. Bye bye.